All right, so let's talk about how to identify certain words. All right, now when it comes to the medical field, for instance, there's a whole bunch of weird-looking words that people don't understand, and sometimes I'm here to tell you that don't get afraid of those words. Okay, I'm gonna tell you how you could learn those words, those medical terms, and once you actually see how it's done, it's actually not that bad. All right, so when you're working with certain words like epinephrine, even words like biology, right? What you gotta do is, first you have to know about the prefixes and the suffixes. Let me show you what I mean. So let's write the word biology, right? Biology. Everyone knows what biology is, but if you break it down, right, this word actually tells you what it's about. For instance, bio means life. Ology means study of. So biology means study of life, right? That's simple enough. So the prefix is the bio, the suffix is the ology. Biology, study of life. And let me erase this real quick, and then I'm gonna show you another word that you may have heard before, which I'm sure you have, or at least the other term for it. All right. So in fact, let's just do another board. So the word epinephrine. I'm sure everybody heard this word before. Excuse my handwriting. Okay? Epinephrine, or aka adrenaline. Alright? So, at first glance, people who might not know what this means might get afraid. Oh my gosh, epinephrine is a big word. But remember, break it down. You have the prefix and the suffix. So, epi means above. And nephron means, refers to kidneys. So, epinephrine above kidneys, meaning that this hormone is produced by the adrenal gland, which sits on top of the kidneys. Okay? Again, epinephrine is produced by the adrenal gland, and the adrenal gland sits on top of the kidneys. So epi above, nephron, kidneys. Right? Now, as an extra bonus, and I'm gonna get into this later on other videos when I talk about anatomy and physiology, or just in general human body or animal body. So epinephrine has two purposes. It's used in the body as a hormone and as a neurotransmitter. Yes, epinephrine can be used in the body as a hormone or a neurotransmitter. That's very important because I could almost guarantee you on almost any anatomy test or quiz or state exam, they're gonna ask you a question about epinephrine or norepinephrine, which is adrenaline. And they might ask you certain questions like, is it a hormone? Is it a neurotransmitter? Is it both? Is it none of the above? I'm here to tell you right now, remember this, epinephrine could be used as a hormone and as a neurotransmitter. And epi means above, nephron means, refers to kidneys. Above the kidneys, this is produced by the adrenal gland, which sits on top of the kidneys. Boom, it's that simple. So, be sure to watch more videos because I'm going to talk more in depth about learning certain medical terms and medical words. And then once you figure out a good technique on how to do it, then you're gonna be like, you know what, it's not that bad. All right. So please, if you like what you seen so far in this video, please subscribe and like the video. Turn on your notifications because I do plan to go live eventually. But for now, I'm gonna keep popping videos. All right. So thank you. See y'all guys later.